Tumanyisanga wa mwa secondary school already. So nje kintu kusaba amasomero agandi gona tukore thara training omubwire ekindi to making sure ngomizano eji neya under 20 school going children
itebekanisa tushimirwe twenda kugena imizano yitu eyo kuzanda tunentwazana batabitu amashomero agandi kandi ngo abana bashimerwa impakes twinati twine football girls kandi twine football boys abishi nabo akapira ko kusambusa amaguru so nikakapira kutwinako
last year we ended up in regional quarterfinals, so we lost 1-0, but we promised to push hard to the nationals.